Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now, for this you will need a SIM eject tool. I have one right over here. One should be provided with the device in a box somewhere between the paperwork, but if you can't find it, you could just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone right over here. You will see a little insert pin at the very edge of the cutout, and you want to push the pin in. As you can see, the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it, take it out, and on the tray you have space for, it looks like just a single SIM card. So let's place our SIM like so, with the chip side up. As you can see, the other side has some kind of like weird plastic going across it, so I wouldn't be able to place anything on here. But from here, oops, just slide it back in, and the card should start working right away. You can see right here, reception, and there we go. And it just connected. So there we go, that's basically all you need to do. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.